Hello guys, this is me Isaac and today I will be making you guys hear the world's most annoying sounds. So let's start. First I will let you guys hear snoring. I don't know if you think this is annoying, but this is the sound of power drill. Now it's the noise of a baby crying. This time it's the iPhone alarm. Second to last one is a metal scraping a plate. Now it's the final one. If you're someone like my friend Aiden who gets a weird feeling on their teeth, please stop the video. I hope you guys like this video. See ya later.
Bye.